Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to save Word documents as PDF file in Microsoft Word. So this is an existing Word document. So for this particular Word document, if you want to save it as PDF file, all you need to do is to come to File, you click on File, okay, click on File, then you click on Save As. When you click on Save As, let's click on Desktop. So from this save as type, you select what document. Okay, you tap on save as type, then you come to PDF. You select PDF. Now you click on save. And when you do that, it will load up. Okay, good. So it's already saved as PDF. As you can see, it just loaded up as PDF, document. Okay, now let me show you that. Let me show you that my desktop file. So this is it. This is it. The complete guide to digital registry. So that is how to convert. I just open it again. So that is how to convert from Word document to PDF file in Microsoft Word. Okay. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. All right. Thank you.